Today we're gonna make that one Ramadan sharab that you all know and love. So you're gonna need some watermelon, strawberry, lime, orange, tangerine over here. And then you're gonna need these 3 powdered sugars. So first step is to fill up your juice tank for around 3 cups, or just around right here. And then you're gonna take any, you can start with any, it doesn't matter. You're gonna pour some of it in here, around that much. Then you take this, and you can use around 3 to 5 scoops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you take like 3 to 5 scoops, it's your choice of each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the brand names for all 3 of the powdered sugar. And then once you're done, you're gonna take like a big spoon or fork, and you're gonna start mixing the bottom powdered sugar to actually like mix it up with the beans. And keep mixing it for like around 2 minutes, and then you add ice. Okay, now we're back. We used around 10 strawberries, or just use around 10 strawberries and use this amount of some watermelon. Now we're back. We prefer to use around 10 strawberries, and then you take about this much of watermelon. Once you're done, put it in this blender. Use around 1.5 cup of water, blend it. Then once you're done, you're gonna pour it into here. And try to take out the excess and let the water come in, the juice come in. So it's like there are bits of fruits. You don't want that in your fruit juice because it's gonna taste weird once you drink it. So just start mixing it around. Try to leave the excess on the thing, and try to make the juice come into the container. And keep doing that until as much as you can. And then once you're done, take all the excess, put it in somewhere else. And then take the juice that you poured into here. And then just start mixing it for as long as you want. And then just mix it for like around a few seconds. Take this organic mango juice, open it, pour in about 1 to 2 cups. Then once you're done, you can add ice if you want, but it's a lot better if you add ice. And then just keep mixing it around until it looks better. Keep mixing it around. Get the powdered sugar out of the bottom. Mix it. Keep doing that. And then take your oranges from before and just squeeze it in there. The oranges add flavor. It's a lot better if you add oranges. You can use half orange if you want, but we're gonna use a full orange. And also take around 3 tangerines, put that in there as well. One. Once you're done, then just take around half a lime or maybe the full thing and then just drop it in there. Let it rest so the juice can actually come out. And then yeah, once you're done, just add ice if you want. It's a lot better if you add ice. And just for a recap, these are all the ingredients we used. So we used all of these powdered sugars right there. We used all of these. You can use 3 to 5 scoops for each one. And then take around 10 strawberries and this amount of watermelon. Put it in a blender. Use around 2 to 3 cups of water. Blend it. Once you're done, pour it into another container. Take out the excess that was in here. And then use around 3 tangerines, 1 orange, and then take your 1 lime. And then you just start mixing it around. Mix it. And then you're done. Oh yeah. So it tastes a lot better if you add ice. It's gonna taste weird if you use it with ice. Oh yeah. And look at how much of a nice color it is. Yeah. Add your ice and then let it rest. Mix it a lot. Start mixing. Keep adding your ice. Oh yeah. For this account, subscribe, like, share to your friends, and yeah, thank you for watching.